You know what I've noticed? We treat dogs better than we treat human beings. And I have a very strong, deep gut feeling. It's because we still have not truly embraced ourselves. It's funny how just across the board, it seems when you're confronted with another being, another living being that is a direct reflection of yourself, we have issues when it comes to proper treatment, compassion, seeing the good within others. We're stripped of our humanity because we are also stripped of our innocence. And somehow, when it comes to dogs, we still see their innocence. We see their love, their compassion. We're able to have that love and compassion for them because we see their innocence. But we don't see that for ourselves. Perhaps it is a mechanism that we use to run away from ourselves, to run away from the truths that I guess we are trying to avoid. Just a thought.